In this video, we're going to take a look at ordering products that have been back ordered on service repair orders, or SROs. So a repair order has been created, product is needed for the repair, but we don't have it in stock, so it is back ordered on the service repair order. So we go to File, and we go down to Service and Repair Module, or Command 4. We go up to SRO, Menu, List SROs, list SROs with back order needs. And it brought up this SRO. We double click on it. Go over to the work performed page, and we see this LaCie drive was added to this SRO for a quantity of 1 needed, but we have 1 back order. That's what this here refers to. So there's 1 needed, but 1 is back ordered. I mean, we don't have any of these in stock, so we need to order it. So we're just going to hit the Send Parts to Purchase Orders. Now it's only going to load any non-GSX parts. If there's GSX parts listed here, it will not load those to this PO. And they will be listed here, but you will not be able to select them. So we're going to Send to Purchase Orders. There's 1 non-GSX item to process, and continue. Now here you can choose to isolate to its own PO. Say if you wanted to isolate this part, whatever it is, to its very own PO, nothing else is mixed in with it, you can do that. You can drop ship to customer, but that's reserved for purchase orders that are not associated with service repair orders. Obviously a service repair order is something that's in-house. You don't want to ship the part directly to the customer. And drop ship directly to main is the choice that you're going to use most likely with SROs. You can also select a vendor. So if you can get this product from Tech Data or Ingram Micro and you know it's in stock at one but not the other, you can select which vendor you want. If you don't select anything, it's going to default to the vendor of record on the inventory record. I'm just going to hit continue. And it just created a PO, or it placed that item on an already existing unprocessed PO. Now we can save this. Now if we go back and run our report again, list SROs with back order needs, there's nothing listed because we've taken care of them. So let's go look at that PO. I'm going to list all unprocessed POs. All unprocessed. And here we go. I just happen to know that it's this PO right here. It could have been any one of these because notice the dollar figures are much higher than that hard drive we ordered, but that's because this is a existing non-processed PO, and anytime we do automated purchasing, it just adds to that vendor's open POs. So as we look, here is that item that we just placed on this, and so we're going to order it along with these other products, and you can just keep adding to these unprocessed. Unprocessed means this box right here has not been checked. You can just keep adding to these unprocessed POs via the automated purchasing system until you're ready to place that order. So you've got your PO ready to go. You've added everything to it you need to. You've done your purchasing in other areas besides SROs, and you're ready to place this PO. You can find that PO by going up to POs, list all unprocessed POs. So you can click that, and here's the PO we were working on earlier. You can also find that PO by going to POs, find POs by PO number, put in the PO number, say OK. Notice this is unprocessed. Double click on it. So again, we know this is what we want. We're going to order this from the vendor. I'm going to hit the processed button and save that. Now you can print this out and send it to the vendor or email it, however you want to do it. Open that PO. So when the PO comes back, the person receiving is going to open the PO again by doing the find that I showed you just a second ago. They're going to then click on Receive, put in their initials. Now in this example, I'm just going to receive this drive, which I know happens to be for the SRO we were looking at earlier. These other items I'm not going to receive. They didn't come with the shipment. They'll come later, and we can receive them later, not a problem. But I don't want to have them on this receiving record, so I'm going to remove 0 quantities received. And that removes any 0 quantities received and leaves us with just our 1 hard drive for our SRO. I'm going to post that. Post. And now you notice it has a distribution list that tells you this Seagate drive is for this SRO 28507 from Music Depot. And so we know that's what that device is for. We can hand that to our service department and tell them this is for this SRO. You can also print a distribution list and hand this to somebody along with the products, and they will know that this item here goes with this SRO. They hand it to the technician responsible, and the SRO is completed as it should be, and you're all set. You save this, and this completes ordering and receiving product that have been back ordered on an SRO.